Okay then friends, nice to see you in this video. Also, this is my practical video in my practical video series of web programming. So as usual, I show you my pages, and here in my pages in programming, here is the question I show you in this video. So the question 4, here this is the question that I have to create. Your client requires you to update the web pages you have designed as follows. It requires to be user-friendly and should be created as follows. You can use Bootstrap to make these responses. So I have used Bootstrap here. I show you how should I create here. If you have watched my first video for the question 1, this is the pages that I have to create. In my video 2, this is the pages that I have to create. So here in this question, it said that the user wants to make the client wants to make that his web page as more user friendly. So for making this task, we can use Bootstrap.css also for using the grid system of Bootstrap organization. So then instead of these two sign up and login pages, I have to create the two designs as these. So in the same page, login and sign up should be included. So this type of web page design is for medium, large and extra large devices view, and then this view is for small and extra small devices view. So that is the task that I had to create. I show you how I had created those. So first of all, I'm going to give the answer. Here you can see this is how I created my web page. So here you can see a reset button and then sign up button, and here login. And I have used Bootstrap.css file here to make this responsive. You can see even for the medium size view here, this is the view for the medium size. Then even when it goes to the small device view, you can see this is the view and then extra small device view. Here login and then sign in, and here this is the image. These are the sign up pages. So then these are the way that I have created the answer, created the web page for the question 4. Here in the main PHP file, you can see I have given the onClick function, go to Q4 as usual for the question 4 button, and then the script is also I have created, and you can see here this is the folder for the question 4, and I show you the index underscore q4.php file here. So you can see I have linked the Bootstrap.css file here also, and you can see in a container class I have made this web page within the Bootstrap grid system. Here this index file is as usual. So then you can see this is the answer file. So in here answer file also I have linked the Bootstrap CSS, and also I have used custom CSS for making the borders, like the border radius and border styles, then like that way, so border colors. Okay, so for those custom CSS I have used this file q4.css, and the main thing is I have linked the Bootstrap.css file to this folder also. Here this is the login page, and you can see, if you see this closely, I have used two different ways for making this page responsive. Here for the extra small size, I have used all the 12 columns that we have given from the Bootstrap grid system. So here I have used 8 columns for the medium and above devices views. So then here again you can see the differences, and these are the input fields in the login button. I have used the classes also that are given from Bootstrap, and here in also these are in same format. These divs are repeated. You can see if you see this closely, and MT3 is the margin top that we can keep a margin top to a div if we put this function, this class, to a div that MT3. MT stands for margin top, and then MB stands for margin bottom, then PT stands for padding top, and PB stands for padding bottom, like that way. And here you can see I have put the class as dgrid. Dgrid is for that I'll explain that in this way with an example. Here you can see within this div I have made an input tag. So if you want to get this input tag, the total width of the div, we have to put this dgrid class. That is also a class given by Bootstrap. Here this is the image, and this is a function that go to the login, and like that way this is the answer for the question 4. And this is q4.css file that, as I mentioned before, this is the custom CSS that I have used for the _q4.php file for making border radius, border colors, padding top, border styles, like that way, and displaying line block, as same as before videos, before projects, and q1, q2, q3. Same custom CSS I have used here, instead of using media queries. Instead of using media queries, I have used here the Bootstrap grid system. That's the difference between Q3 video and Q4, the third video and the fourth video. If you have not watched before videos, I warmly welcome you all to the before uploaded videos also. So this is the end of my description for the question 4, and you can see these are the files at last I have used for making the web page in responsive way. As for fulfilling the task given for the question 4. So then, thank you for being with me in this video also. Let's meet with the next video 5 for the question 5. Thank you.